Hey there, my name is Adam from the team here at Parabola, and in this HTS code classification flow, we're going to walk through how we go from a list of product descriptions, maybe exported from your ERP, to a nice consolidated list where for any given product, we can see scored from 5 to 1, all relevant HTS codes, and ideally narrow that down to the one HTS code that is the best fit for your specific product. Now, how do we get there? At the beginning of this flow, we are pulling in some sample data. Here you can see in our title column, we have a bunch of different product descriptions. And then we're using an extract with AI step to basically pull out all of the relevant search keywords that we're going to want to pass to the ITC API to help us pull relevant HTS codes. From there, we can actually make our API call. So as you can see, we're hitting the International Trade Commission's government managed endpoint here. We're passing along all of those search endpoints. And in response, for just 9 product descriptions here, I'm getting over 5,000 different HTS codes. So now the challenge becomes, how do we shrink that list and identify the most relevant codes for each of our different products? Since most companies will only be working with products across a couple different HTS chapters in this card here, we can filter down for just specific categories or chapters of HTS codes. Here I'm focusing on 61, which is going to be woven apparel. And then we can merge that information with the complete HTS hierarchy that also comes from the government's website, so that as a result, I can see for a specific HTS code that was recommended, the complete hierarchy from chapter all the way down, so we really understand exactly what's associated with this HTS code. From there, we can use a categorize with AI step to analyze how closely each of these hierarchies matches what's being described in our search keywords. Here you can see I'm saying classify this from 1 to 5. At the bottom, I'm adding some context. So you're being provided with search keywords and resulting HTS code. For a classification of a 5, I'm saying this is a highly accurate description that closely captures exactly what we're going for, whereas a 1 is going to be totally inaccurate, extremely brief, so on and so forth. As a result, as I mentioned, you can see all of our different HTS code scores for all of our different products, helping you quickly audit existing HTS codes and also identify new HTS codes as you deploy new products. And you also can run this flow to ultimately either generate a CSV file, push this into your API or ERP, and ultimately get this data wherever it needs to go. Feel free to create a free Parabola account and start using this flow here in your account today, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.